Popular Bangladeshi actress Porimoni, who got detained by the elite anti-crime unit of Bangladesh Police Rapid Action Battalion after conducting a 4-hour raid at her residence in Dhaka's Banani area, is now out on bail. During the hearing of her bail plea, the Supreme Court's bench denounced the role of lower court judges in granting multiple remands of the actress in a case under the Narcotics Control Act. In its order, the court said, and I quote, "What evidence the investigating officer presented with the remand pleas and the reasons why the court granted the remand need to be checked. This cannot happen in any civilized society. Remand is an exceptional matter." Earlier in a petition, she also urged the court to pass a directive to remove defamatory and character assassinating reports, videos, and photographs from social media. Porimoni made headlines in August this year after accusing a businessman of rape and murder, post which Rapid Action Battalion conducted a raid at her residence wherein the officials claim of seizing drugs and liquor from her possession. Prior to her detention, Porimoni took to her Facebook handle and sought help from her home saying, and I quote, "Brother, you understand my condition. Banani police station is here, but no one is coming from there. I need their help. I was getting this fear. For 3 days, I could not get out of bed." Further, while claiming that someone was knocking on the gate of her house for 20 minutes, she said on Facebook Live, and I quote, "I am afraid to open the door. They are claiming themselves as policemen. But when I contacted Banani police station, they said no policeman was sent from their police station. I was scared of death from the beginning. Someone wants to kill me. What would I do if someone came to kill me with the identity of the police?" Before getting behind the bars, Porimoni had also accused businessman politician Nasiruddin Mahmood of sexually assaulting her on 8th June.